Dell Latitude E7280 and we'll replace the battery. In order to do that, remove all these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. I've already unscrewed them all to save some time, but basically just unscrew them all, and once you're done, you want to lift up this panel through here. There you go. So that's out of the way. Disconnect that. There are 2 screws that you need to disconnect. To buy the battery, don't look it up online based on the exact model of the laptop, but based on the part number. And the part number on each battery is mentioned. For example, this one is F3YGT. You can get them cheaply on eBay, Amazon. It depends on which side has got them cheaper.